Let me feel your love again. 'Cause I've been running round in circles, screaming out your name. Take me to a different place.
Hello you guys, welcome back, it's Wendy. So my house is a disaster right now. My kids are outside screaming, if you can hear them. I literally just took down my Halloween decorations and I want to just clean up and get ready. I'm gonna still decorate for fall. I have been seeing people already decorate for Christmas. Oh my goodness, people, it's not even Thanksgiving. So if you are looking for Christmas decorations, this is not the video for you. So I am just gonna kind of go through and clean. There's glitter everywhere from all of our Halloween decorations. I'm in the process of doing some fall DIYs and I'm gonna put the ones up that I've already finished. So if you guys are wanting to see any fall DIYs, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss those. But yeah, I just wanted to turn on the camera and clean for you guys. It is a disaster in here, so don't judge me. All right, let's get to it. Do you hear them? Let me show you. Let me just show you. What are you guys doing?
We can stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night. Everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand.
Can we just talk about something really fast? So my husband is obsessed with Halloween. So the other night he went out and got some pumpkins so we could carve them. First I want to show you the pumpkins that he bought. And then I want to show you what's in my living room right now, which as soon as he gets home, I'm going to have him take them back out to the garage. But let me just show you guys. So this is one of the pumpkins he came home with. I'm like, what is that? What on earth? And then this one's actually really kind of cute. But the stem is like super prickly, so you cannot touch it. But that one's cool. And then he carved this one. But what is that? You guys ready for this? Let me just show you what's in my living room. Yep. These two. These two have been in my living room for a week now. Aren't they cute? Let me show you what they do. Okay, ready? Yep. Welcome to my world.
All that time away from you, I didn't think I'd make it without you by my side. Let me feel your love again. Just the two of us and we could stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night. Everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you.
If you guys notice the camera shaking a little bit, it is our Roomba vacuum. We recently got it and I love this thing. It just kind of goes around and vacuums while I clean up, but it hits the camera stand a lot, so that's why it looks all shaky. And for my stainless steel, I'm using my Method stainless steel cleaner. I at first didn't like this because I felt like it left streaks, but I've been giving it a second chance and I'm really actually liking it. Okay guys, that does it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and as always, if you liked this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!